Hi, I'm Kit. I'm a third-year law student at the SMU School of Law. I'm a bit tired this morning actually because I was up doing readings last night, but I've got a big day ahead of me today. Okay, first up I have meeting, then I have to go for classes, then I have a lighthouse meeting, and then I'll go for my training contract interview. I'll also be going for a legal clinic at the state courts, and I'll end off the day with fencing. Actually, that's a lot, and I'm just looking forward to coming back at the end of the day and watching my K-drama. Come and join me through my day. Bye mom, bye dad, love you.
I think it's not. Hey, hello. Hello kid. How are you?
Now we're in the moot court in school, and we're here because I'm having a practice round now. Our goal today is to test some new arguments that we came up with over the past week, and we're going to see how that goes. I didn't always have these public speaking skills, and in fact, back in junior college, I was always very scared of asking questions in class, and I was always scared that the question I was asking would be a stupid question.
This tribunal has the mandate to bring to justice persons who have allegedly violated international law.
But I think after mooting, it really has helped me gain confidence in oral advocacy. Over time, I've become more confident in speaking and really being able to dissect the opponent's arguments better. Now I'm heading to class, and I really like SMU seminar style because we get to clarify our doubts directly with prof in class. Today's class is on legal theory and philosophy, but I'm a bit worried because even after doing my readings last night, I'm still quite confused. Taking the class with my classmates really helps because I can learn from the questions that they ask. Hearing their questions and prof's answers really helps me. Towards the end of class, I'm sure everyone's the same, but we are looking forward to lunch. Okay, it's time for lunch. Yeah, usually I grab lunch at a coffee shop at Waterloo Street. But today I'm here in school for lunch because we're about to have a meeting for a Lighthouse project. The Lighthouse project is a project that my friend and I co-founded with the support of the SMU Pro Bono Centre. What we do is that we link students up with lawyers and we work on live pro bono cases, helping them with research, drafting, attending client meetings, and even attending court sessions. What I really enjoy about the Lighthouse project is the fact that we are able to give back to society, even during the semester. Helping out with these live cases really gives us an opportunity to apply the knowledge that we learn in class. I think the experience has really shaped how I go about learning the law in terms of really more readily questioning the status quo. And this also helps shape the kind of lawyer that I aspire to become. After this, I'll be going for my training contract interview, but I'm quite nervous for it.
Alright, see you.
Bye!
Bye, see you!
Bye. Bye. Hi, welcome to the firm.
Thank you.
Please.
Now I'm actually at Raja & Tan, and I'm here for my training contract interview because I'm applying for the insurance team. I'm definitely nervous because applying for a training contract is one of the most stressful parts of law school, but I'm hoping that my extracurricular will give me an edge. I'm chatting with Rebecca and Yushuan today, and they're both partners here at R&T. That was nerve-wracking, but I hope that the interview went well. And after this, I'm really looking forward to the legal clinic I'm helping out with at the State Court under the Community Justice Centre. A legal clinic is where members of the public can come to seek free legal guidance from volunteer lawyers here. My job here today is to serve as a student volunteer, and I help explain the process to applicants who come along, and also with other administrative tasks like note-taking. I think helping out legal clinic, you're really able to see the kind of problems that people face on a day-to-day issues, and these are legal issues that you may not imagine as a law student. As a student volunteer, I find meaning in being able to lend support to these applicants and help guide them through this process. It really helps that we are able to see how a practicing lawyer would go about advising their clients. I think after wrapping up all the legal aspects of the day, now I'm heading back to school for a fencing training session, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's been quite a long day and we are coming from the legal clinic, but I'm here to come for fencing training, and I'll be fencing and sparring a bit with Dorcas and Suki. Even after a very long day, I think fencing really gives me an opportunity to rest and de-stress and really be able to vent all my frustration from the day. After the end of the fencing session, we usually sit around, chat a bit before we clean up the equipment and bring it back. And after the fencing session, I'm looking forward to going home and watching my K-dramas. It feels so good to finally be home after a long day, but usually after I get home, I try to get some readings done before tomorrow's classes. But today I think I have some time for one episode of Korean drama maybe. What I really like about Korean dramas is really being able to step into a different world and see how the different characters interact. And how it has done for me is that I actually started learning Korean because of watching Korean dramas and listening to K-pop. Despite the busy schedule, things really get better because of my family, my friends, and having this community of like-minded people around me. And really having these things in my day to look forward to. I think that's what keeps me going.
Students should do pro bono work. You are dealing with real-life situations. At an early stage, you will learn what it means to be a trusted advisor, to discern issues, and to formulate independent thinking.